Eto, first time ko kasi magpapa-PRP. So,
okay, ayan. Ready?
Yes po. Ayan. So, ito po yung first step nila. Kailangan alisin yung makeup. Galing pa kasi kami sa isang vlog kaya na makeup.
Wait lang po. Nalagyan natin ang tissue. Nalagyan na kita ng namin cream.
Yung ano na, yes. This, ikaw nang bahala mo.
Paano mo masasabi niya?
Ayan siya. Kasi hindi siya kawin, hindi siya ano.
Ay, ibig sabihin. Eto, first time ko kasi magpapa-PRP. So,
Okay, ready?
Yes po.
Ano oras sa tingin mo, guys?
7.
Nakakasabay na yun yan. Hindi. Pag nag-i-incheck ako talaga. Nag-ano.
konti ito.
Kabila po?
Higa mo doon.
Yes. Opo. Dapat po dalawa.
Guys, tapos na.
Yes, guys, look at her face. No injection site, nothing, no bruises.
Actually, Doc, I'm expecting na talagang
No, kasi maano ako mag-inject. Pero sa ibang doktor yan, makita mo uwi ka dito.
duguan. Yes.
Duguan. But for me, look at her face. It's like I did not put like 15 or 20 injection. Okay?
Medyo red lang.
Yeah, the red will be subside later on. Okay? So that's it.
And so guys, we're gonna ask Doc Tess about the benefits of PRP later. Stay tuned.
Hi, good evening po. I'm Tess Tumangday. I've been in the field for 18 years as a aesthetic laser specialist. Okay? And then, I think lahat po tayo naghahanap ng someone who will do enhance our beauty. So I'm here to serve you. So most of my client po is like maybe 80%, 90%, they are very happy. Sa Kukuna is marami din po lahat po may operation, may dermatologist, may plastic surgeon. And then sa ano ko naman po sa department ko, meron po kami ngayong promotion until December 30th. Okay, it's a very, very good promotion. Like what I did to EMS. We did that the PRP. Ang PRP po is plasma rich. Okay, ito po yung kukunan ko kayo ng dugo, tapos isa-separate po sa plasma. Yun po yung sinasabi nating stem cell growth factor. Ito po yung nagbibigay sa atin ng glowing kung masyado pong dull ang inyong mga skin. So, pero sa isang session, usually we are giving like 3 session or 4 session. But take the opportunity kasi ang ganda po ng presyo. Ang talaga pong presyo nito is 1,500 in one session. But because it's Christmas, I wanna give a gift to all the kabayans. And then, meron pa pong isang bonus. Meron po siyang underarm laser o kung gusto nyo po is upper lip laser. Yun po, kung ano po man ang gusto nyo, you can contact me. We'll give you the number and everything. So, everything po, warts removal, anything na talagang gusto nyong patanggal, kontakin nyo lang po kami sa number na ibibigay po ni EMS. So, I'm willing to serve you. I'm very flexible. I'm Tess. Okay, thank you so much. Bye!